Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a JSON mode in Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is just open up a new chat, and then here on the right hand panel, I want you to scroll down until you see the tools section. Make sure you click on this drop down. And here you will see structured output. I want you to toggle this one on. And if you have grounding with Google search toggled on, then you cannot toggle it on. So just make sure you have this one toggled off first. And then you toggle on structured output. You can click here on edit. Just make sure it is on visual editor mode. Okay, and then you just go ahead and save this and enter your prompt. Okay, so for example, we'll do who is the creator of AI in 100 words. We'll go ahead and run this, and the output should actually be in JSON mode. Okay, so as you can see, it is currently thinking, and here we go. You can just easily go ahead and copy this to clipboard. You can download it as well, as you can see, and that is how to use JSON mode in Google AI Studio.